Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host, Pinky. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So y'all, these are my wild, unmanageable eyebrows. I have experience with working with them, and let me tell you, they almost never come out right. Eyebrow tutorials on YouTube almost never apply to me. But I did see It's My Ray Ray post a DIY tutorial on how to laminate your own eyebrows quick and easy, and I had the products to do them with, so I was like, let me try this.
First thing you want to do is get your Got2b hair gel. Then you just want to put a pea size on the back of your hand.
So I grabbed my Got2b glue. Mine is in the black bottle. I'm not quite sure what's the difference other than mine is clear and hers is white. But I honestly don't think that made too much of a difference.
You want to get a spoolie brush. Now you want to take a little bit of the Got2b hair gel on your spoolie. Then what you're going to do is quickly, you have to work quickly, brush the Got2b hair gel with your spoolie.
So I tried to copy what she did with my, right eyebrow. And so quickly, I just try to brush these hairs up with the gel. And as y'all can see, my hair is just so stubborn on my eyebrow. They barely want it to be brushed up. And, usually I just follow the way my eyebrows go naturally. But I wanted to try to see if I could possibly tame these bad boys.
Now you want to quickly pat and make your eyebrow hairs flat. This is going to give you that clean soap brow, laminated brow look.
So I'm trying to lay my hair down like she did on her eyebrows, and mine are just not doing that. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I'm very, very frustrated because it's already not going right. So I just moved on to my next brow because it's crazy because this brow always works better for me than my right brow. I don't know why my right brow is so stubborn, but this one tends to do better for whatever reason. And sure enough, the hairs laid down much easier on this brow than it did on the other. So I was like, well, maybe I can at least get one brow out of this.
You can add a second coat if you do not have your desired results.
All right, that's exactly what this eyebrow needed, was like a second coat, because I was able to get them to work a lot better the second time around. So I tried to go as fast as I could and lay this down as fast as I could because I just didn't know. I thought they were going to turn on me if I didn't. But I can't lie, I was still a little discouraged at this point because they just didn't look right to me.
Now you want to shape your brow hairs in the way you want them to be.
Now see, this is a major point where the eyebrow tutorial just don't work the same for me. Like, my eyebrows are just not as malleable as other people's. Mine is just not going to be shaped so cute and pretty that way. Look how ugly that is. They're not trying, like the hairs that were sticking up at the top, they're not trying to be shaped in any way, shape, or form. And look at how ugly that brow is. Once again, that's my right brow, so it'll never work completely 100% the way I want it to. So I tried it with the other brow and it worked a lot better. Like, look at how much better that one worked. It literally almost worked the exact same way as it did for It's My Ray Ray. And so I'm like, okay, well, maybe there's hope. Like I said, with this brow, maybe I can at least get one brow. I mean, clearly it doesn't work exactly the same, but this next step should help. But this is how they looked. That one turned out cute, and this one is the devil.
Now that you have your eyebrows set, you just want to take your brow pencil and fill it in like you would normally do. And that's it, guys. You have a perfect DIY laminated eyebrow.
So I'm going to take my Glossier brow flick, and I'm going to just draw in some hair-like strokes on my eyebrow. I recommend this brow tool for anyone who has thick, dark eyebrow hairs like me, because they really do mimic the eyebrow very well. And once I filled it in, that eyebrow actually came to life and it looked amazing. Look at it compared to the other one. So I just did the same thing on the other brow, and pretty much that's really all my eyebrow needed to look amazing. It really did transform the whole thing. My eyebrows simply just needed to be filled in. Look at them. They almost look like they got microbladed. Now, this next step I added on my own. I just wanted to clean up underneath my eyebrow because I have little eyebrow hairs that I haven't plugged, and I just want to like make sure it's a nice, neat, clean line underneath my eyebrow. So I'm just going to take some concealer and, clean it up. So here's my eyebrows. I added a little makeup and I am actually very impressed with how they turned out. I really didn't think they would turn out this good. Now you might look at them and say, well, they don't look the same, like they're different shapes, but I just think I have to come to the conclusion that my eyebrows are not the same shape and I really don't know how to make them the same shape. So, they're not going to look perfect like everyone else's eyebrows, but I really do like the way they turned out. And they actually were tamed way better than they normally are. So I'm like really happy with how this turned out. I'm actually going to be using this technique a lot more because they're laying down and I feel like they're going to stay like this all day because they're literally got to be glued down. So yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Do you like my eyebrows? Will you be trying this on your own? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.